Hey guys, good morning. Okay, let's try this again. So hey guys, happy Friday. Today is my last day at this job. I've been here for about 1.5 years and I'm moving. I tried to like vlog the entire week leading up to today, but I don't think it worked. I would vlog a little bit in the morning, or I would forget to vlog in the morning and then I wouldn't vlog at night. So I'm just going to compile it all into one vlog for today, and I'll probably insert clips from the beginning of the week. I kind of explained a little bit of why I've been gone and everything, so I'll insert those now. So I haven't posted since Vlogmas. And I stopped doing Vlogmas because honestly it was really stressful with a full-time job, and I know other people can do it, but it was taking away too much of time that I wanted to actually live in the moment, so I stopped doing Vlogmas. I'm going to Florida for 2 weeks with Will, and we're going to be visiting his grandmother, and then after that we're going to be flying from Florida to the Grand Caymans. Yeah, today is my last day. It's so weird. So I've been working for this company since the beginning of like my career, basically. I graduated from college in May of 2017, and then I got this job in July of 2017. So yeah, it's crazy. I've made a lot of friends at this job, and so it's gonna be really hard to say goodbye. I'm excited, I'm nervous for the new job, and then today I'm sad because I'm leaving everyone, all my friends. So yes, I think I'm going to vlog this weekend, so this might be a separate vlog depending on how much footage I get, but this weekend I need to pack because I leave on Monday for Florida and I'm gonna be gone for 3 weeks, so I have to pack for 3 weeks. This song is such a bop. Okay, I was going to go to my favorite Dunkin', but it's like 23 degrees outside and it's more convenient to just go to this drive-thru one, so that's what we're doing. And the line's kind of long, but worth it. I think today is the first day that it's actually hitting me that I'm leaving. I don't know. Is that weird? Because like I've literally been talking to everyone about it. I've been like, yeah, this is what I'm doing, blah blah blah, and like this is the first moment where I'm like, holy crap, I'm leaving. It's so weird. Oh, my grandma's calling me.
Good morning.
Good morning. Love her. If you know, you know. You know? You know? I'm on something this morning. I don't know what. So I've been home for a little bit now, and it's finally hit me that I am done working. I've just really made a lot of great friendships throughout, and I'm gonna miss them. Really, I am. Today was an amazing day. They surprised me with ordering out my favorite lunch place, and I was so excited. I was really thankful that they did that. They got me this huge cookie cake. I will insert a picture right here because it was honestly the biggest cookie cake I've ever seen. And my phone does this weird thing where it like dings all of those times. And they also were so sweet. They made me this frame and it just says, "We are sad to see you go. Good luck on your new adventure." And then everyone that I work with signed it, and it means a lot to me. I will cherish this forever. And it's just like, I feel like I'm taking part of the office with me. So it was really sad to leave my desk. There was nothing left on it. And I'm definitely going to miss them. I'm just really thankful that they did all of this for me. Right now marks the beginning of a crazy new chapter of my life, and it's just, I'm glad that I'm documenting it, to be honest, on video, because I'm going to look back at this in a year or 5 years, 10 years, and just be so amazed at so far, like how far I've come. Here's to new beginnings and new chapters. Hey guys, what is up? It is Saturday morning with my dog. I'm gonna go do some laundry at my dad's house, but first I'm going to pick up my grandma because she just loves to come over when I'm at my dad's house doing laundry. I'm gonna go get her. We're gonna get some coffee from Dunkin'. Guys, look what my grandma got me. Oh, isn't it so cute? I just wanted to say thank you, Grandma, for my necklace.
You're welcome.
I love it. Hey guys, so it's Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. I just kind of got my life together. It's 8:15 in the morning because I have a lot to do today. I have to cancel my gym membership since I won't be here, return something to Amazon, Target to get my last minute things. I'm so tired and I need coffee, so we're gonna go get coffee. I hate this place. It's snowing again. Okay, we are back from all of the like little errands that I had to run this morning, but I still didn't go to the Amazon place because it wasn't open yet, and I couldn't get my nails done yet because that wasn't open yet either. Hi baby. Hello. Paw? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You want a treat? Sit. Good girl. There you go. Okay, so I think that I have laid out everything that I'm packing. 4 dresses slash like nice outfits. I have 3 comfortable, casual, cute outfits. I have 1 pair of jeans, 1 cardigan, 3 swimsuits, 3 pairs of shorts, 5 like tops to go with the shorts or the jeans, 2 pairs of pajamas, 2 like comfortable shorts that I can also wear as pajamas if I need to, 5 workout tops, 5 leggings, 3 tops that will like mix with shorts, jeans, other shorts. I have 1 pair of heels and 2 sandals, and then I'll be wearing my tennis shoes, and then I just have a couple of sports bras, bandeaus, bralettes, normal bras, underwear, and socks, and that is it. I'm going to try to pack everything in these packing cubes, so we'll see how well that works out. I just did my makeup and I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm back from the nail salon. I got this pink color, and then I did like a magenta pink on my toes. And now as a snack, because we're having dinner at like 5 and it's like 2:30, I'm going to try the nut butter by RX Bar. It's the honey cinnamon peanut butter, and I'm really excited. Wow, that's really good. We're heading to Old New York, which is our favorite restaurant, because we invited a bunch of people there to see us before we leave tomorrow. We leave tomorrow, and I thought our flight was at 8 a.m., but I was wrong. It's at 6 a.m. and that just made my day like so much worse because that means I don't have to wake up at 6. I have to wake up at 4 in the morning.
Yeah,
but
to go to Florida.
But yes.
What a pain.
So excited we're going to Florida. I'm pretty much all packed. I'm just packing up like my toiletries, and I'm gonna finish that when we get home.
Where is our first flight to?
Philly.
Do that again? Ooh! Do it.
Are you recording or?
Yeah.
Piper was waiting for this moment. She's like, I'll wear the sweatshirt in case she wants.
No way, you did not. Okay, what do you guys want to say to the vlog?
I'm going to be famous. Me too.
Famous doing what?
I'm just gonna be famous. Yeah, really.
A famous singer, actress, comedian,
I'm bad at
painter, all of them at the same time.
Yes.
What about you?
Are you guys driving? It's hot in here.
No, we're flying.
It is a lot.
And actually, we got like a
Like I am hot.
$150.
This is Steve, and this is
Yeah,
Barry.
we're apartment from
Steve and Barry.
Now we have to pack her,
That is our
my
name,
apartment,
and we are going to be
and
famous.
basically maybe 7 hours tonight, and then
That's that.
in like half a day when we get back. It's gonna be.
Hey guys, so we just got home from the dinner. I think I really only got clips of me and my cousins because they wanted to be on the vlog. But overall, I think it went well. I'm so glad that so many people were able to come. It was a really fun time. Now, wow, it's so bright. I need to finish packing. So, and I need to clean this room because it's a mess. Just look at it. It's really embarrassing, but I'll show you just because this is not what I'm normally like. I'm usually like a super organized person. And this is the opposite.
2,000 years later.
This room looks so much better than what it did. I did a lot of cleaning and a lot of packing. It's 10:15, so I definitely need to get to bed really soon. I was just gonna talk through everything that's in my suitcase. I was gonna film more of me actually packing it, but I've had to do it in spurts throughout the day, so there hasn't been one moment where I've only been packing, but I'll insert a clip of me pull my clothes into some of the packing cubes. Alright, let's get into how I packed. So, one of my packing hacks, I can't talk, it's so late. Okay, one of my packing hacks is to put dryer sheets in your suitcase so that things will still smell fresh. So, in this one, I just have a bunch of tops and dresses and like my nicer clothes that I'll be wearing on the trip, my straightener. And then in this one, I think I have all of my pants, shorts, then I have a cardigan in there. And then we're bringing this speaker. I do have some like empty space still, so hopefully I'll be able to bring some stuff back. This is my boyfriend's toiletries. He didn't have room, so I'm bringing them. And then these are my toiletries. Over here is pretty simple. I have my purse, and in there I put my jewelry because I didn't want it to get lost in my suitcase. In this bag is my shoes. This is all of my bras and underwear and stuff like that. And then I just have my workout clothes in here. I have like my swimsuits and socks and stuff like that. Then in this pocket, I have my laundry bag on the bottom in case something gets like super gross and I can't wash it, which I just always like to have that with me. I have all of our sun stuff. Just have like all of my shampoos and stuff to not bring any of this back right here with me. And then I just have some like, I think that's my makeup bag. Yeah, my makeup bag, and then cotton rounds because I use that for my face stuff. And yeah, that is pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna close the baby. Wow, she's heavy. I'm gonna need to go weigh this. Okay, so update, my suitcase is 48 pounds. So it's gonna be cutting it close. I'm signing off for the night. Tomorrow will be a travel vlog, probably to Florida. So stay tuned for that. Are you sad we're leaving? Do you know we're leaving? I'm leaving you for 3 weeks. I can't believe it. I'm gonna miss you. I forgot to say this, but thank you for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!
Hey, ready? Are you filming?
Yeah.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Coming from you at Steve and Barry. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. We are
always gonna be here. And make sure you put the what's it called again? Subscribers. Make sure it gets to 1,000.
So my question, can you get paid?